Today, I want to prepare a dessert made from fruits and pudding. Let's start with the pudding. We need some molds. Just be prepared for it to be a giant quantity because there are 4 portions, a bowl, a spoon, 2-3 spoons of sugar, half a liter of milk. Mine is 2.5% fat, but any kind of milk is good. And the pudding powder. Pour the milk. Until it's enough. We need to put 4 spoons of milk. Be careful, they're spoons, not teaspoons. 3 spoons of sugar, I've got them measured here. And we stir until all the sugar is dissolved. Then we add the mixture. And we continue to stir. Now that the mixture is pretty creamy, we can add the rest of the milk to boil. And we'll leave it here until it boils, so that we can add the mixture we prepared. Look at the mixture I made. It's really important so that it doesn't have any lumps. Now that the milk is boiling, you need to carefully pour the mixture in and at the same time to stir so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Careful, because you can burn yourself. Then continue mixing. The mixture is done. Look, it has bubbles. We pour it slowly into the molds we've prepared for the pudding. You need to do this really fast because the pudding's hardening quick. It's delicious. Now we wait a few hours for the pudding to harden. After a few hours in the fridge, the pudding is hardened and ready to get out of the mold. Ta-da! Now for the fruits, we need a cutting board. And I prepared a mango, some grapes, a kaki, an orange, and a banana. The grapes don't need to be cut, so just pour them into the platter. So that it looks nice. The orange we start at the top and peel off the cover. Then we take the slices apart. For the kaki, I need a knife. First, we take off the top and the leaves. Then we cut it in half. Then you either scoop the inside with a spoon or you cut it in slices. Now we put them onto the main arrangement plate. And there we go. Now the only one left is the banana, which is quite easy. You just peel it and cut it into circles. add them to the plate mix. And there we go, plate is done. Done, the perfect plate.